Hi and welcome to my channel. I know half my face looks a little crazy, but today I'm going to show you how to block out your eyebrows. So the first step is getting some rubbing alcohol on a paper towel and rubbing out any dirt and oils, and then let that dry. The second step is get some glue. I'm just using an Elmer's glue stick, and you are going to put that on your eyebrow and really make sure you cover all the hairs. And then you're going to take like one of these kinds of brushes and then just brush upward. And I also like to go in with my finger and make sure all the hairs are pushed down and let that dry, and then you're going to do that 5 more times, so a total of 6 layers. Now before you do your 6th layer, what I like to do is take a little cotton swab and the rubbing alcohol, and I'd like to rub it around the edges just to clean up any messes that we may have made. And also during the 6th layer, while it's still wet, I like going in with a setting powder. I'm using E.L.F, the HD powder. I love E.L.F so much. So what you're going to do is you're going to do your 6th layer, and then take your powder puff, take off the excess on the back of your hand, and really press it in. And then let that dry for a second. And then once that's dry, you're going to take a big fluffy brush and gently remove the excess powder. And then the next step is you're going to be needing a full coverage concealer and foundation. I'm using the one from L'Oreal and Tarte. So I'm going to take the concealer and put it on. And then blend that out. Because my eyebrow color is a little lighter, I don't really have the color correct. And I know this is not my shade. And then I'm going to go in with the Tarte, and I also love Tarte. Then I'm going to put some on there and blend that out as well. And you can also drag it onto the top of your forehead and under your eyelids as well. And then you can kind of blend it out a little bit more with your hands if you would like. And then I'm going to go back in with some more setting powder to set all of this down. And there you go. Now you have a blank canvas, and now you can draw on your own eyebrows, whichever shape you'd like. And I hope this helped you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.